Sean "Diddy" Combs, music mogul, entrepreneur, and cultural icon, is now at the center of one of the most serious criminal cases in the entertainment industry. In 2024, he was federally indicted on multiple charges, including sex trafficking by force, transportation to engage in prostitution, and racketeering conspiracy. The trial is now underway, and the testimony given by singer and model Cassie Ventura, along with newly released surveillance footage, has shed light on years of disturbing allegations. In September 2024, federal prosecutors filed their first indictment against Combs. They accused him of running a criminal enterprise that exploited women through coercion, drugs, threats, and sexual abuse, all while maintaining a public image as a successful businessman and entertainer. The indictment claims Combs organized events involving male escorts and drugs, which he allegedly called freak-offs, and that these encounters were not consensual in many cases. Prosecutors say women were trafficked across state lines and pressured to remain silent. Combs has denied all charges and pleaded not guilty. His legal team argues that he was part of a consensual swinger lifestyle and that none of the events were forced. On May 13, 2025, Cassie Ventura, who dated Combs on and off for over a decade, testified in court as a key witness. She spoke openly about the emotional and physical toll of the relationship, recounting moments of deep trauma. Ventura said that in 2023, she entered rehab and trauma therapy after what she described as a mental health crisis. She shared with the court that she had contemplated suicide, saying, "I didn't want to be alive anymore. I couldn't take the pain I was in." During her testimony, Ventura detailed how she had participated in what Combs called freak-offs, involving drug use and male escorts. She stated these encounters were not voluntary but coerced and sustained over many years. She added that she had written about her experiences in a manuscript and once offered Combs the rights for $30 million, not for profit, but as a way to confront him with the truth. According to Ventura, she filed a civil lawsuit in November 2023, which Combs settled within 24 hours for $20 million. This was the first time the settlement amount was publicly confirmed. One of the most critical pieces of evidence presented in court was a 2016 hotel surveillance video from the Intercontinental Hotel in Century City, Los Angeles. The footage, shown in court and later released publicly in 2024, shows Cassie walking down a hallway, visibly distressed. She's barefoot, carrying a bag, and turns a corner toward the elevator. Moments later, Combs is seen running down the hall in a robe and socks. He grabs Cassie by her hoodie, throws her to the floor, and drags her back into the hallway. After the assault, Cassie sits briefly, then walks toward the elevators with her belongings. A hotel security guard appears shortly after. The footage supports Ventura's claim of abuse and contradicts previous denials of physical violence. LAPD officers later confirmed they documented visible damage in the hotel room that night. A witness, Combs' former security guard, testified that Combs offered him a stack of money to stay quiet about the incident. Combs' defense attorney, Mark Agnifilo, has stated that all sexual encounters were consensual and that Combs never engaged in trafficking or abuse. The defense argues that Cassie's lawsuit was financially motivated and that the swinger lifestyle Combs lived was voluntary and legal. Still, the courtroom evidence, including testimony, hotel video, and supporting witness accounts, paints a very different picture. The trial is expected to continue for several weeks. Cassie Ventura has now finished her direct testimony. Cross-examination by the defense will take place over multiple days. Several other women are expected to testify or have submitted evidence of similar patterns of behavior. If convicted, Sean Combs could face decades in federal prison. He has not made any public statements since the trial began. This is an ongoing legal case. All defendants are presumed innocent until proven guilty. We'll continue to follow the facts as they happen. Subscribe to Fame Rewind for accurate, up-to-date coverage on this and other celebrity legal news.